So today I'm reviewing the Centrum Nutrient Replenish Complete Multivitamin with 22 essential nutrients. And this is specifically targeted for GLP-1 users. If you don't know what it is, it's like a weight loss medication, like injection. And I do take that, and it actually makes you eat less and slows down eating so you stay full longer. And because of that, you might not be getting the full nutrients that you need, especially if you just don't feel hungry. So this is a pretty good vitamin to take for so you can get the nutrients that you're lacking, because if you um don't take your nutrients as you need it and you're not eating as much, you can get hair loss and all that stuff. So to help for that not to happen, because of nutrition deficiencies, it's best to take a vitamin, and this covers like a majority of what you need in your daily diet in order to be healthy and like take care of yourself. So yeah, this is like a really good, and this is how the pill looks. By the way, it has 180 mini tablets, and you just have to take one a day, no more than that, which is very convenient because I just hate taking multiple pills. You can see it's a purple pill. It's not that big. It's not that thick either, so it's really easy to swallow. And yeah, this is like great, and I completely do recommend it because this is what I will be using because I've been on a GLP-1 for a few months now, and I need a vitamin.